Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to show you some of my favorite yarn and crochet gadgets. Everything that I'm going to show you today will be linked below in the description box, and it's available on Amazon. The first thing that I have to show you is this beautiful yarn bowl. This is made out of rosewood, and it measures 7 by 4 inches. My husband got me this for my birthday, and I absolutely love it. And I love to have a yarn bowl because it helps keep your yarn from getting all over the floor. You can just place it in the bowl, and then it has a little place for your yarn to go through so it doesn't get tangled. And you just pull it, and it's very smooth to work with. And this bowl, it runs around $35 on Amazon. It's very solid, and it's very intricately carved and drilled. So it looks like it was drilled, but this is one of my very favorite things, especially since my husband gave it to me. The next thing I wanted to show you are these beautiful embroidery scissors. These are great for cutting yarn. They're iridescent purple with some gold and blue. They are just absolutely beautiful. And these run you around $10 on Amazon. They're very sharp, as you can see here. They leave a nice straight edge. These are very small, and you can put them in your project bag, and they don't take up a lot of room, and they work really well. And look at the beautiful design on there. Right here, even on the tips. Love it. The next thing I want to show you is thread magic. I've gotten a lot of questions about thread magic, and I use it for my knitting machine. And I put it right on the face of the counter on my adding machine, and that helps the yarn run through smoothly so that it doesn't get a lot of static electricity, and it helps the yarn from splitting. So if you have a knitting machine, I would invest in some thread magic. You can get this on Amazon for about $10. And like I said before, I'll have the link below. The next thing I'd like to show you is this box of knit blockers. This comes in a handy case, and you've got 12 large blockers. They have 8 pins, and you've got 8 blockers with 4 pins, and they all fit really nicely in here. These are super sharp, so you want to be careful if you get them. And you can get a box of these for around $20 on Amazon. And so when you're washing something and it loses its shape, you just lay it down on a foam board or a couple of towels, and you pin it into place with these. And see, 2 different sizes here. And they all store nice and neat in this little box. You know, this is enough to do 1 sweater, I would say. But these are really handy to have around. And they are also rust-resistant stainless steel. The last thing I want to show you is my favorite. I'm a cat lover, and when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. This is a crochet hook organizer, and they have many different other patterns besides cats. They have flowers and owls and all different things, and I'll link it down below, and you can check out what they have. But this has 2 different zipper sections, and this comes really handy for my clover hooks. They fit nice and perfect in there. And then there's also these 2 zipper compartments, which I like to store extra needles and things of that nature in here. And let's see, got some safety eyes. And then here's this one. I believe I've got some pins, tape measure, and some stitch markers. These stitch markers I got from Etsy. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, I love them so much. And then on the other side, there's room for more hooks. And I don't have all mine in there because I use my wooden stand. And then there is a long zipper portion, and this is my needle felting needle handle. And then I've got another, this is a stitch counter. And these are some really cute portable crochet hooks. And I've got some more safety eyes and other things in there. But this is really handy, especially if you're traveling or just to keep around the house and just have everything all in one place. And you can find this also on Amazon for around $15 for all the different styles. So, you know, I would take a look and see. It's a nice thick vinyl. So it's gonna hold up well. I've had mine for about a year and so far so good. It's held up really well and it's stayed clean and it's nice and sturdy and I love it a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this quick review session. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tap the notification bell when you subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and stay tuned for some more reviews. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.